first time. I'm a big fan of Maggi noodles, and I never dare to try anything else. Maybe because I have grown up eating Maggi, and my kids also love it a lot. And you know how kids are, they generally don't like to try anything different from what is their favorite. So, but today I'm all alone at home. This is zero maida, and it's made of oats. And also, because it's made of oats and not maida, it gets ready in 5 minutes. You can see it's written here, and not the usual Maggi that is ready in 2 minutes. So let's start. So this is a pack of 4. I got this from Big Basket, and so there are 4 packets in this, yes, and 4 taste makers. Also, I always prefer to add a lot of veggies whenever I make Maggi, and that is one big complaint my kids have, that it's more of veggies and less of Maggi. But yeah, that's how I feel it can be had in a bit healthy ways. This is the oats Maggi that I usually prepare for my family, or the atta variant, atta noodles of Maggi. When you compare this with this, you can see in the ingredients, this is about 39.4% of oats, and it also has maida, whereas in this you can see the ingredients, it's almost the same amount, maybe 39 or 40% of oats, but it doesn't have any maida. So comparatively, maybe this is a bit healthier. Any case, either this or that, it is not, you can't call it very healthy, but yes, once in a while, maybe once in a fortnight or once in a month, you feel like eating something that is not just good for your health, it is also good for your taste buds. So yes, I like it, and I'm going to try it out. Do stay with me. These are the vegetables I'm going to add. Half of this piece of onion, and a little bit of capsicum, and a small piece of cucumber, and a small piece of carrot. Because I'm preparing it only for myself, I guess these many veggies are more than enough. Now I'm going to add about just 1/4 to half teaspoon of ghee. Ghee is healthy fat and your body needs it. And this is just for tossing around the veggies in it. First I'm going to add the chopped onions. I am going to fry the onions till they are a bit translucent. I don't want them to become golden and all. And then I'll be adding the remaining veggies. Add any veggies of your choice, like corn or peas or even paneer cubes. Saute the veggies for just 2 minutes, and then you can add the water. The amount of water for noodles is mentioned as 1 3/4 teacups for each packet of the noodles. Started boiling, so now I'm going to first add the taste maker. These look really cute, the small circles, don't they? I just hope they also taste as good. So I'm going to mix it and cook it on a medium flame for 5 minutes as mentioned on the packet. It's been almost 6 minutes now, and I don't like my noodles to be very soupy, so I have made it, I cooked it for 6 minutes so that some of the water is evaporated. I'm going to garnish it with some freshly chopped coriander. And ta-da! My noodles is ready. So here I am with my noodles. Yes, so let me taste it. It's really hot. The taste maker taste, as we have been having the Maggi thing since so many years, and it's a great comfort food, especially for bachelors or people who are new to cooking. It is something when you are in a crunch of time and you want to have something cooked really fast, then Maggi to the rescue. The taste maker is a little different, so maybe a little compromise on that. But overall, the texture and the taste is not bad at all, but the feel of noodles hanging over the fork, that is not there because they are circular rings. But overall I think it's not bad. You can definitely give it a try. So yeah, I like oodles.